Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm the #1 hired YouTuber on the planet, according to Google. My videos are sponsored by companies who pay me to put their products, services, or companies into my videos from all over the world, and I've traveled the world doing so. And thank you goes to my sponsors because I'm able to give my viewers better videos. It takes a team to make my content. Watch this video because in it, I tell you how I do it so you could do it too. This success with companies has given me trips all around the world and also as a VIP to the YouTube headquarters at Google. And this is the lobby. Not only was I hired by Amazon to go to China, but also by a big hotel company called the Swiss Hotels Group to go all around Switzerland to make videos. As well, I was also sent to Turkey for a number of clients. What wonderful international trips I've been on because I'm the #1 hired in the world on YouTube. Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand. In this video, I'm going to tell you how I became the #1 hired YouTuber in the entire world, and I've held that title for about 5 years. Out of a couple billion YouTube channels and about maybe 300,000 actively seeking brand deals, I am the #1 hired. If you're a YouTuber and you want to get brand deals, follow my formula, and I hope for great success for you too. Right now, I'm doing more videos than I can possibly do, and I'll tell you about how I get those accounts. This video is sponsored by SocialBook, one of my best agencies. I'll tell you more about them later in this video. About 6 years ago, a company called Famebit came on the scene. It was the very first platform where you could bid on jobs. They were like baseball cards on an app, and you could go through all the different products they had. They had thousands and thousands, and you could write directly to the companies that were looking to hire influencers. I filled my weekends with sending the proposals, and I got better and better at my proposals. I took jobs for almost nothing to build my portfolio. I also would make videos of my favorites, which are similar to hauls, where I'd have 5 or 6 items within a video, and that would be put all over my channel. In the early days when I was doing this, my channel was about at 50,000 subscribers and grew, and now it's at 160,000 subscribers. If you're a subscriber and you're watching this video, please comment and tell me that it's okay that I'm doing this, and let me tell you why I do this. Up until this time, every single video I produced, mainly cooking, I had to pay for. My setup is, behind the cameras right now, I have 2 camera people that are kind enough to come in as a job and film me, and then go into my edit room, which has been my garage, and do the editing. It's a real startup kind of channel. I was lucky to have a very simple kitchen that had all the appliances in one shot. That was sheer luck. So the cooking videos went very well. From those videos, I had many viral videos, and some of those viral videos were from sponsors. Finally, I had a way to pay for the production of my channel. Until then, it had just been investment. Because you may already know, there's not a lot of money just having videos on YouTube. You either have to have a lot of virals, or you need sponsors to help you. And it was a natural having a cooking channel to have some company that had a gadget pay for the video that included that gadget within that recipe. Since then, my channel has branched out because people have hired me for everything under the sun, including beauty and hair and fitness. Everything I do. And a lot of it is homemaking. I had a viral video for Casper mattress of how to make a bed. That was one of my very early virals for a product. I stuck with it. And along came SocialBook. They wrote me an email and asked me to make videos for their clients. Now they've combined everything they do to help YouTubers like you create a very successful YouTube channel using all the tools of technology to right this moment to make it easier for you to do what I had to learn to do from the bottom up. I wish those tools were around when I was starting my channel. And they also have a series of videos to help you learn how to do all of this, how to be successful. One of my favorite things about SocialBook is how I actually get hooked up with brands that then hire me. They have a suggested hiring fee for me, so that was interesting to see, but you get to set your own rates. You may not know what your worth is, but I suggest if you start off, go low. Get your portfolio. Have a lot of samples to show and write people that are interested in you with all of your information so they have it on a page that they can read to understand who you are. I visited SocialBook. They're in Northern California, and I happened to be going by, so we got together and had a meeting. I hung out with Heidi, the CEO. She's an Instagram girl. That's where she got her start. And now she's doing an international influencer platform. She works with both the companies and the influencers. What an entrepreneur. And an amazing thing that Social Book brought me was a trip to China. I was hired by Amazon to talk to many companies that sell on Amazon how and why to hire an influencer like me, since I'm the #1 in the world. Wow, what an honor. Here I am on stage with people listening to me. They even had me on live China Amazon TV. They had an interpreter for me. I got to meet a lot of my fans who I never knew existed. This was a trip of a lifetime. I hung out with some really great gals that Social Book set me up with to be my ambassadors as they showed me around their beautiful city. This was only 2 years ago. What a trip, what an experience, one of my favorites in my whole lifetime. And after China, the pandemic hit, but I kept to the grindstone and I kept doing what I did. It was a little slower then. Let me tell you the reason of why I think I'm hired more than anybody else. I know I work really hard, and many of my customers are from other places in the world, so I'll check my emails at night, and I will write back in a timely manner. When I first hear from someone, I will copy and paste all the information about me and my channel and all the links to my sample videos of all my different categories, because they might have a similar product and would want to see an example of something similar that I would make for them. Within my videos, I do have people that help me film, and with their excellent expertise, I get beautiful shots of the products. That is key. I may not have millions of subscribers, but I have a very solid base of people that have been watching me for years and growing up, starting from my cooking recipes, which is very household oriented. And that experience of life of being a mom let me know so many things about products and running a household that I was able to educate my audience on things they might need to know as they started up their households. You might have a specialty, and YouTube's such a big landscape, your niche is important to someone. Whether that's skateboarding, whether that's hairstyles for long hair or short hair, whether that's walks or hikes, fitness, whatever it is that you do, stick to that. There's enough products on this planet that you can have just what your niche is and just those products that would sponsor your channel. And if you don't have many subscribers, you're a micro-influencer, and those are important. So offer up your services at an affordable rate. Build that portfolio. Be professional in all your emails. You might be writing back and forth maybe 15, 20 times for one campaign. I know I do. And always come through for your clients. Never not do a video for them. If you promise to do a video, do it. And do your best job every time. That's what I do. Don't let a bad video go out that represents you. During pandemic, I had a little struggle because I was my sole camera person. Well, I think people forgave me for that time. I did a lot of car videos and observing my world, and some of that camera work was not that great. And I did road trips. Well, we all were just making do, but I think my clients forgive me and realized that was a special series. Thumbnails are very, very important for YouTube channels. On Social Book, there's a wonderful assortment of all kinds of formats for thumbnails. You can scroll through and pick the one that has the mood and the feel of your video and what personifies you on video. And then there's instructions on step-by-step on how to do it. Another critical tool is an SEO Explorer. I just put in cooking, and all kinds of things came up, and it let me know what was trending in the cooking genre. Well, you can see where this can go. It can go on and on. Anything that you do, any subject, you just keep looking at different terms similar, and you'll see what the highest ranking SEO is and use that. Even if you're not a social influencer, perhaps you're a business. Business brands have a whole lot they can get from Social Book as well. Social Book can be used to manage social media accounts for brands. If you're a brand, go to their website to check out how you can do that. They've thought of everything to really help brands and social media influencers to connect. They're professionals at social media, so they help both sides of the equation, including managing social media accounts for brands on all the platforms. I'm going to scroll through again. Just look at all these things that Social Book does. It is endless in the amount of tools it is. I just signed up on my YouTube channel. There's a free program, and there's also subscription plans. All of them are excellent. If Social Book had been around when I started, how exciting it would have been, and so much easier than the way I did it. Social Book brings brands from around the world right to your computer so you can represent them with the aid of this wonderful agency, Social Book. Anywhere you're watching this in any country in the world, you can sign up for Social Book. Click the link below to get Social Book. I wish you great luck and great success. There are more brands looking to hire you than I'm sure you've ever known before. Go on Social Book and have them help you hook up to get those deals. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell to get notified of my next video, and let's keep making great recipes in life. And today, it's a recipe for your success. See you next time. If you like this video, I have a whole lot on some of my entrepreneurism right over here, and then also some other really fun videos you might like.